5 seconds. Start. Sir, I rise to support the railway budget for 2012-13. The railways are one of the biggest media for communication and to carry people and the goods and serve the nation. Here we have found that the railways are really aware of their duties and responsibilities, and it is one source by which our economy can gain momentum and which helps to fulfill our social obligation. We respect the Indian Railways. However, there is still room for improvement of services to be rendered to individual passengers. A lot has to be done towards improvement of railway stations, cleanliness and catering service. We have to initiate a number of steps to plug leakage of revenue during transportation, that is during movement of goods from one place to the other. This will surely help the economy and also minimize damages and also minimize the claims from affected persons. The Railway Ministry have to think in terms of rehabilitation and renovation of railway track and also conversion of meter gauge into broad gauge lines in tribal areas. My humble suggestion for broad gauge line to be considered in the 12th 5-year plan is from Bulsar in Gujarat to Nasik in Maharashtra. This will help in the development of the tribal belt in both the states and will provide many opportunities to the people of the area. This is a very long pending demand with the central government. I hope the Honorable Minister would think in this direction and satisfy both the states. The performance of the railways is satisfactory when we see the data provided by the Minister. The growth of passenger traffic is 5%. There is control on the working expenses. By putting in extra efforts, the earnings are increasing at a satisfactory level. Keeping in view the demands and requirements, 15 new trains are being introduced from 1st July 2012. We are thankful to the Honorable Minister for this. However, there are much less in number considering the growing demand. The service improvement group is to be activized so that the local problems of each and every area could be attended to and resolved to the greater satisfaction of the passengers. In this connection, I demand that computerized reservation system should be introduced at Surat in Gujarat. As you know, Surat is an industrial center. This is a long-standing demand.